to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I fully expected my dog to start barking then and she didn't, so let's get to it. We have a D&Co unboxing today. Yes, I'm still getting it. Here we are. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver and we're gonna open up the box. Here we go. I think I did pick maybe 2 things for the box. Because you can add your own items, but like you only, ow. I stabbed myself with the trusty rusty screwdriver. It's fine. Who needs their tetanus shot? Anyway, I did pick 2 things, I believe. They send you the mailer to return, which you don't want to keep. They have the invoice with the prices and your style note. It's always such a long note. Hi Rachel, thanks again for your feedback on your last box. I'm sorry that nothing stole your heart or room in your closet. They did, so it's a $20 styling fee. Description down below about D&Co, and then you get $25 towards your first box. If you want to use my link, I would get $25 too. So because I didn't keep anything last box, they did not charge me the styling fee for this box. So that's nice. I'm confident this box will capture your style and help you create some looks that are uniquely you. In addition to your fabulous requests, I was able to snag you one last pair of shorts. I don't need any shorts. To tide you over until spring rolls around. These preppy button fly shorts are great for adding a fun pop of color to any outfit. Slip them on with this crisp button down or with your favorite graphic tee, a staple denim jacket, and canvas flats to run errands on the weekend. Dress up this sophisticated pleated skirt you picked out with this timeless smocked cuff blouse and strappy heels. I don't have strappy heels. I love reading your feedback and learning some more about your style, so keep it coming. You can also show me more of your style by checking out our shop page and adding any looks you love to your wish list. XO, Emily. Thanks, Emily. Thanks. Okay. She's quite the bundle. She's a messy girl, but that's okay. So am I. Let's open her up. My hair is just like in such stark contrast with this white shirt that I just feel like it's all over the place. Here we go. Yeah, I know, I don't wear white. If you're saying, Rachel, you never wear white. Yeah, this shirt's not making it downstairs to my dog. This is just for right now. All right, so first thing we have, it looks like a dress. It's like a little swing dress, maybe? It's kind of like fall colors, like fall flowers. That's kind of interesting, long sleeve. I just think, I don't know if I can do this box anymore because they just keep sending me things that just look like they're gonna be too big. And D&Co, yes, is a plus size box, but they say their sizes are anywhere from like size 10 to like 32. So there should be like just kind of like size large shirts, you know. Here is a button down. Are they real buttons? No, it is sewn shut. That is nice. It's a pretty color. But the buttons go all the way down. We'll see. Okay, so this is one of the skirt that I picked, and it is the same material and pattern as the dress from last box, but in a skirt. So I thought, maybe it might be better as a skirt option, like maybe even just with this like white shirt. So I thought that was interesting. And we have just a white, are you a button down? A white button down? Size medium. Yeah. It's okay. It's kind of more like a summery vibe, and here it is fall now. I did add these. They're just kind of like these knit floral pants, like wide leg. Do they have pockets? They have pockets. They might be too sweatpanty to wear to work, but I thought they were cute. Like, put them on the weekend or something. I don't know. So that's what I added, the skirt and those pants. And then here's the shorts she included because they're probably, you know, trying to get rid of inventory for the summer. But they're a pretty color. I just don't need them anymore. It is probably September or maybe even October by the time you watch this. I don't need these. Don't need them. But we're going to try them on anyway. So here we go. Let's do it. Maybe I can get away with these pants at work? Maybe? They're really comfy. They have a nice elastic band right here. They have pockets. They're a wide leg. Let me pan down. They look cute with just this like plain white tee. Hey there, Delilah. Here's the length. We kick stuff out of the way. They're really cute. I don't think they look too much like sweatpants, do they? I think I could get away with them. I think maybe. I don't know, what do you think? They're really comfy. I like them. Even just wearing them at home or go to the store, I think they're cute. If I can get away with wearing these to work, I might keep them. I think because of the wide leg, if I put them on with like just some like my work shoes, I think I could get away with it. Maybe. Okay. Sorry, that was a long pause. All right. I don't know. These are pretty cute so far. I like them. Let's do the skirt. Okay, I wanted to show you real quick. I just like put a belt around it. No, there's no belt loops or anything, but like here's a belt with it. It's kind of cute. If I just sewed like a little loop here, just of embroidery thread or something to like keep the belt on. And then like it wouldn't be super noticeable when I didn't have a belt on. I think that'd be cute. Let's do a full picture. Yeah, I would totally wear these to work with like a belt like this. It's cute. These might be winners so far. Okay, here's the skirt. I like it so much better as a skirt than a full-on dress. Let's pan down. Real time. So much better as a skirt. So much better. It's like right at mid-calf length. Nice stretchy material. This I could definitely wear to work. Definitely. Definitely. With like a white shirt like this, or a dark shirt, or a purple shirt, or whatever color shirt I want, because I can do whatever I want. It's cute. Now, would I get more wear out of this skirt or those pants? Those pants I could wear both at home and at work. I want you to see like the full length. Real time. Ooh, there we go. But it's really cute. It's so cute as a skirt. If you watched my last box, you saw it as a dress. Really nice as a skirt. It's really soft as well. I'm torn. All right, let's try on more. Let's try on more stuff. Here's the shirt and the shorts I don't need. Shorts are a pretty color. Don't like the way they fit. I don't need them. It's a button fly. If you watched my last Stitch Fix video, you saw my button fly jeans. They're a nice length. I don't know. I mean, I do know I'm not getting them. They're pretty color. Good length. Just not crazy about the fit through the stomach. Here's the shirt. It's real buttons, which means the real buttons are coming open. Otherwise, it's a nice material. I think this would have been nice for summer. But as it is, it's fall now. And I don't need it. 2 things I don't need. 1, 2. Let's do more. Here's the dress. It's too big. It's nice flowy, like you could belt this too. Let me go grab that belt again actually. Here it is, belted, which is better. It gives you a little more shape than just the shift. But if you wanted to wear it like that, you could too. It's better belted, in my opinion. I could wear it to work. It's long enough, it's long sleeves. It's cute. Wonder how much it is. It's actually really cute for fall. I'm like looking in the mirror over here with this belted. You can kind of like move the material and kind of cinch it a little bit. No pockets. No pockets. This is a better box than the last box. It's a nice length. Want to see how long it is? That's what she said. Stop it. So here's the length. It's cute. It's definitely like sunflower. You know, kind of reminiscent. Good for winter. I bet it's expensive because why not? So It's cute belted. Again, if you want to see it unbelted. Here it is unbelted, just a nice little shift. I think you definitely need the belt. I wouldn't wear it without the belt. I don't think. It's more like nightgowny without it. Okay, let's try on the last top. Here's the last top. It's actually a really pretty color. It's a little, is it a little mature? I don't know. Maybe I'm just immature. You know, I'm 34. I can wear a shirt like this with these jeans. I just look, I don't know, mature. I do actually like it. I like that this is sewn here. I think that's nice. It's kind of cute. You can tie it up here. Gosh. It's kind of cute. It's a really pretty color. It's like a purpley mauve. It's coming off more pink on camera, but and it has the elastic right here. I don't know if that would drive me nuts or not. That's kind of cute. I for sure wear it to work in the winter. It's a nice solid color. Dude, guys, girls, goyles. This is a hard box, man. This is way better than the last box. The dress was okay. The skirt was cute. This top's cute. Those pants are cute. This one's cute. It's like a nice blouse. And I don't have a lot of like nice blouses. It has like nice draping in the arm right there. Alright. I think it's between this shirt and those floral pants. I don't know. Okay, let's go over prices. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxing. Prices. Here we go. So usually they send you 5 items, but sometimes they send you 6 items, which is what they did this time. The Yvonne dress in black/yellow, size 0X, $41 for this dress. I don't think that's that bad. The CNC California Janet Dolman sleeve button down in white, size medium, $61 for that white button down that I don't need. The Ryan Wild Betty 3/4 sleeve blouse in mauve. Is it this one? Yeah, $48. I kind of like this. I felt like a grown-up, you know? The Mary Sky Diana super stretch buttonfly shorts in lilac, size 12, $55. Don't need them. East Adeline Brenda sweater knit wide leg pants in black, size 0X, $52 for these pants. They're really soft. I think I might like that purple shirt better. I don't know. Okay. And the Downing Studio Riley calf length skirt in mauve/pink, size 0X, $41 for this skirt. So I don't think that's bad. I don't think that's too bad. There was a few contenders in this box. Better than last box. The total $298 for the whole box. You get 25% off if you keep 5 or more items. So $223.50 for the whole box. Usually there would be a $20 styling fee as well, so you would take that off too. But they didn't charge me one this time, so yeah. I think I'm gonna keep this shirt. Who knew? It's a really, really pretty color. I think it'll be good for the winter and fall and spring and summer. I don't know, the last box too, I kind of was like holding things up when I was done with it. I'm like, oh, I don't know why. But I think it's gonna be this shirt. I do have some credit, so thank you guys for signing up. But the thing with D&Co that is stupid, I think, D&Co if you're listening, they only let you use one $25 credit at a time towards your box, instead of like Stitch Fix lets you use like as much credit as you want. So this shirt will be $23 after my credit. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. All right. I hope you're having a great day. Get out and do something fun, or if you can't, read a book or do something and just like laugh more. Laugh more. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.